Hello students, how are you all after your 15 days summer break? I hope you are fit and fine. This is your Sanchita ma'am here back with your GK lessons. Now students, before starting, I want to give you some informations that your first unit test will be held on this month. That means in the month of July. For this, you have to prepare your lessons, isn't it? So, I am here giving you your syllabus firstly. So, students, you please go to the content portion of your GK book, Think and Grow book, and you open content part. Whatever pages I have finished, I am giving you that pages for your syllabus. So you go to content portion, contents. It is page number is not marked here. Go to contents. In our nature part, my family, first chapter, first one is my family, page number 5. Then animals, our friend, page number 6. Next leaves, page number 7. Then you go to page number 12, know your country. Page number 12, know your country. Next one is visiting sites, that is in page number 13. Next, our neighboring countries, page number 14, and my India in page number 15. So these 7 pages, my family, animals, our friend, leaves, know your country, visiting sites, our neighboring countries, and the last one is my India. These 7 pages will come for the first unit test. This is your syllabus. So students, you prepare these 7 pages will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 pages will be included in your GK syllabus for the first unit test. We will let you know the dates very soon. So you start preparing your syllabus yourselves for the coming exam. Okay. Now I am going to start a new lesson. Today's lesson will be the page number 16, Dances of India. Now you go to page number 16, Dance of India. Here some pictures of some dances are given here. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write below A, B, C, D. Do you know the names of these dances? Choose from the options below and write the correct letter in the box. So first you go to the clue box. Here number A, it is written Kathakali, Kathakali. Kathakali dance is a dance form of the state of Kerala. It is a kind of religious dance. Kathakali, number A. Next one is given Kathak, Kathak, Kathak dance. It belongs to the states of northern India. You can see there. It is also a famous classical dance form of India, Kathak dance. Next one is given here, Odissi, number C, Odissi, Odissi, Odissi dance. Odissi dance form belongs to the state of Odisha. Odissi is believed to be the oldest of the Indian classical dances. And in the last D, it is not given here. You have to write here Bharatnatyam. Bharat, Bharat, Natyam, Bharatnatyam. You please write down in the blank D, Bharatnatyam. Bharat, Bharat, Natyam. Bharatnatyam is a dance of Tamil Nadu in southern India. Now, here in the boxes of given 1, you have to write here this figure is a step of it will be number D, Bharatnatyam. Here you have to write D in the box. Below the box you can write here, as I have given, you write Bharatnatyam, Bharatnatyam, Bharatnatyam. It is a figure of Bharatnatyam dance form. Next you go to number 2. Here you have to write below the dance picture, you write here C. C is Odissi. Below the picture you can write Odissi. This is a form of Odissi dance. You write beside 2 C Odissi. Next one is Kathak. Number 3, beside 3 you write B. This is the picture of a Kathak dance step. Kathak, K-A-T-H-A-K, T-H-A-K, Kathak. B, Kathak. You write first in the box B, then below the box you write Kathak. And next, in the 4th box, below the box you write Kathakali, and inside the box you write A Kathakali. So it will be number 1 will be D, that is Bharatnatyam. Number 2 will be C, that is Odissi. Number 3 will be B, Kathak. And number 4 will be A, Kathakali. Now number B, a popular dance that is performed by the people of a particular place is called a folk dance. What is a folk dance? A popular dance form that is performed by the people of a particular place is called a folk dance. Now you have to, here some folk dances pictures is given. Now you have to name the states where these folk dances are most popular. First one is a picture of Bihu dance. Bihu dance is a famous dance of the state Assam. So Bihu, beside Bihu you write in the box Assam, A-S-S-A-M. It is a popular folk dance of the state of India, Assam. Okay, so here you write Assam. Next one, number 2 picture, it is a very famous form of dance, that is Bhangra. Bhangra is a famous folk dance of the state of Punjab, P-U-N-J-A-B, Punjab. In the pink box it is given already Punjab and Assam. Last one, number 3, it is given Dandiya. Dandiya is also a very popular folk dance of Gujarat, G-U-J-A-R-A-T, Gujarat. It is a western state of India, Gujarat. So these 3 will be Bihu is from Assam, Bhangra dance is from Punjab, and Dandiya dance is from Gujarat. Here in the think tank, here is one question, very important. The names of the 2 most popular dances of your state. You have to write, I have given here. You write down in the box. Number A, you write Chau dance. Chau dance is a very popular folk dance of West Bengal. It is generally from the district of Purulia district. Chau dance, C-H-H-A-U, Chau, D-A-N-C-E dance, Chau dance. Chau, C-H-H-A-U, Chau. And the another one is the Baul dance, B-A-U-L, Baul, D-A-N-C-E dance. It is from Birbhum, Bankura. In those districts you can see these dances, this form of dance, Baul dance. Second question is the names of 2 dance of other countries than India, other countries. Here I have given, you have to write here 2 dances of other countries. All these are belongs to India. Other country means outside of India. Here I have given one dance, the Samba dance of Brazil, B-R-A-Z-I-L, Brazil. The Samba dance of Brazil. Brazil is a country of South America. And number B, the flamenco dance of Spain. Brazil and Spain. Spain is a country of Europe and Brazil is a country of South America. So the Samba dance and the flamenco dance are 2 famous dances of other countries. So this much is today's lesson. You learned this and fill up the page with the answers. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.